All right, welcome back. So far in this course, we've been working exclusively with the free features offered by Airtable. Frankly, with most of my students and the teams I've worked with, the free plan goes a long, long way. However, there are a few cases, namely when you're exposing your forms to the public or that you want to use the blocks functionality, what I'll explain later in this section, that the premium features really come in. So in this section, we're going to look at what the premium plan offers. We're going to start this section just by looking at what the different plans are, and then in the following lessons, we'll dive a little deeper into the most important sections of that premium plan. So let's start off just by comparing the three plans that are offered by Airtable as of January 2019. So we're going to focus on the differences between the free, the plus, and the pro plans. I'm not going to talk about the enterprise because I don't expect a lot of you to opt for this because it's for very large corporations. So we have the free that is free, and that's what we've been using since the beginning. The plus is $10 a month, and then the pro. The main difference between free and plus is more records per base that you can create, more space, but frankly, the main reason people go from free to plus is for the revision and snapshot history that goes from 2 weeks to 6 weeks. What this means is that if I pull up a record, there's the activity on the right, and that's the information about all the changes that happened to this record. In the free plan, you only get this for 2 weeks. In the plus plan, it goes up to 6 months. This change is important, but I don't see a lot of teams opting for it. People usually go from free to pro, and the reason is that you get access to this advanced functionality. This advanced functionality has 3 different flavors. First, there are blocks, which are applications that use the data in your different tables, mainly to create visualizations, but also to send emails. And it's just kind of a third-party marketplace that really is just beginning at Airtable, but I do expect that's where you're going to see the most growth in features that live on top of your data in Airtable. And we're going to have a lesson. The next lesson is actually going to be on blocks. And then the second grouping of advanced functionality is around styling and multiple date formats in the calendar. So this means you can do different colors, and you can brand your forms, and you can do start and beginning and end dates in your calendar. Is very useful. And then the third grouping is around viewability and sharing of your tables. So we're going to do the next lesson on blocks, and then we're going to look at the advanced functionality around styling. That's what I wanted to highlight, the difference between free, plus, and pro. So free and plus is additional revision and snapshot history. Do not expect a lot of you to go from free to plus, but do expect a lot of you to go from free to pro, mainly for the blocks functionality and then the different styling options and calendar functionality that we'll look into in the next 2 lessons. See you there.